Welcome to part 2 of the $100,000 challenge. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, I'll be showing you my number 2 pick, the second coin that we will be buying for the $100,000 challenge in 30 days. I know a lot of people have enjoyed the previous video with the first pick, which was Uniswap. If you want to watch that first video, I'll probably link it somewhere in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. So in today's video, we're going to be buying another coin. We're going to be investing another $5,000. In this video, we are going to talk about the second pick, and at the end of the video, I will log into one of my accounts and I will spend $5,000 on this coin. So make sure you watch until the very end. But first, I want to talk about our first pick, which was Uniswap. I want to let everybody know the price I got in and how much money we have made so far in one day. As you can see, we have 253.92 Uniswap. I spent a total of $5,000. I was charged a fee of $25, and now my value of Uniswap is $5,186.11. So far in one day, we have made over $200 with Uniswap. But I believe this is just the start, and this is going to look like peanuts in the next couple of weeks when Uniswap really takes off. I bought Uniswap at $19.59, and as I make this video, it is currently priced at $20.45. It is up 5% on the day, which is absolutely amazing, but this is just the beginning, fellas. Alright, now let's jump right into CoinMarketCap and see what other coin we are going to buy today. Alright, so now we are on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum are both down on the day. But the biggest winner today is Cardano. Over 90 cents per coin, 29% up on the day, which is absolutely amazing, and 97% up on the week. Personally, I have about $30,000 invested in Cardano, so I will not be picking Cardano for this challenge. But if you are holding Cardano, hold on, things will get even better. Personally, I started buying Cardano when it was around 17 cents. So I am sitting on a ton of profit so far, but I am still not selling. I believe all-time highs for Cardano are going to happen by the end of this month. Also, I made multiple videos telling everybody Cardano is my number 1 pick for 2021. That was when Cardano was 17 cents, and now it is pumping and pumping and pumping. And if we scroll down some more, XRP is also positive for today. Polkadot, another coin I absolutely love, but we're not going to be buying Polkadot today. I know that is going to disappoint a lot of people watching simply because everybody keeps telling me, buy some Polkadot, buy some Polkadot. I like Polkadot. I think they're going to do amazing things, but I'll buy them separately outside of this challenge. So we're going to keep scrolling down. Binance Coin having another amazing day, up over 20%. Binance Coin has been taken off. Another good one that I'm also holding, Litecoin, also up for the day. Chainlink, another good one. It is pretty much flat almost the entire week. For the entire week, it is only up over 5%. Chainlink, also one of my top picks for 2021. But we're going to keep scrolling down. They have a ton of awesome coins. Aave, Stellar, Uniswap, that's the one we bought yesterday. Avalanche, also a good one, up 88% on the day, 294% on the week. Man, oh man, oh man, Avalanche is completely crushing it. EOS down 3%. Tron, this is another very undervalued project. So they're down 4%. Not in the top 20, not in the top 30. Not in the top 40. All right, now I can see our second pick for this challenge, and it is the Graph. Right now, it is priced at $1.25. I really wanted to buy the Graph earlier this morning before it pumped up like 25%, but I wanted to save it for this video. But I still believe that the Graph is an amazing coin, and I believe that they can easily go up to $5 to $7 in the next 30 days. So in today's video, we are buying the Graph. I have been getting a lot of questions from a lot of people asking me, where do I buy these coins? First off, I'm signed up to a lot of exchanges. I use Uniswap, Binance.us, Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin. Man, I'm all over these exchanges simply because there's not a single exchange out there that has like 1,000 coins or 2,000 coins or like even a couple hundred coins. So I'm pretty much having to put my funds in different exchanges. That way I'm able to buy all these coins that interest me, all these coins that I believe are going to pump and make me a boatload of money. So please do not be surprised if I'm hopping from one exchange to the other. So we're going to be buying the graph on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the biggest platforms in the United States. They're the most trusted. I know their fees are not the best and they do not have the biggest selection of altcoins, but it is super simple to use. Coinbase, in my opinion, is one of the most simplest exchanges to buy crypto on. All right, so now we're going to jump on over to Coinbase and we're going to buy $5,000 of GRT. Let's go. All right, so now we are inside of my Binance account. And as you can see, I have just over $500 in this account. I know it's not much, and most of it is pretty much from the free coins that you get when you sign up to Binance. All right, we're going to go into my portfolio. And as you can see, I have about $346 in the graph already. That is from an initial $200 investment. So far, I have made a good little return. I also have some Tezos and some Stellar, but that's the coins I got free. I also got a couple of other free coins, but I ended up converting all of them into Tezos. So if you want to get some free coins, check out the Coinbase link in the description box below. All right, so let's click on the graph. And then we're going to press trade. Oh man, up 22%. I should have bought it this morning. And then we're going to press buy GRT with cash. All right, so we're going to put in $5,000 worth of GRT. We're going to press preview buy. All right, so we're going to get 4,039 GRT tokens at a price of $1.2195 with the total purchase amount of $4,926. And the fee that we are paying on Coinbase is $73.41. So our total amount is $5,000. So we're going to press buy now. See what happens. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it goes through without a problem, which I think it will. Let's go. Loading, loading. This is getting interesting. Got a TikTok. All right, your order was submitted. View my account. All right. Let's see. All right, so we have bought $5,000 worth of GRT. Now we're going to go back. Look at that spike in that portfolio. It looks awesome. All right, everybody. So now we have officially invested $10,000 of the bank's money into crypto. Hopefully they're not watching this video or they're probably going to ask for a bigger cut. But so far, $10,000 invested, and I'll be buying another coin tomorrow. Uniswap, I believe Uniswap can be easily over $80. That is a 3x from the current price. Graph, on the other hand, I believe that they can easily do a 4x to a 7x from the current price. So guys, hopefully coin number 3 will have even more potential. As I make this video, the graph is holding on to the 42nd spot on CoinMarketCap. But I believe as their market cap continues to grow, they can easily be in the top 20 and possibly in the top 15 coins on CoinMarketCap. So the graph has a ton of potential in my opinion. Like I said in my first video, this is extremely risky, especially when you are buying these coins with the bank's money. But I am not a financial advisor, so do not take this as financial advice. I'm just a regular guy gambling his money away and pretty much trying to make a fortune in a short amount of time. Let me know in the comment section below which coin I should pick next. I'm debating if I should let you guys pick the final coin for this challenge or if I should just pick the coin myself. Let me know which coin you guys want me to buy in the comment section below. I'm still debating on this issue, but if I decide, I'll probably put out a poll asking you which coin you want me to buy. So if you see a poll, please vote on it because that will help me decide for the next coin. If not, then I'll probably pick one of my coins that I think will do excellent in the next 30 days. And as always, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.